The busy world under our feet, earthworms and friends. Did you know that under the ground, there's a hidden world full of tiny creatures? Let's explore the amazing life beneath the soil. Earthworms. Earthworms are like nature's cleaners. They munch on old leaves and turn them into special soil called compost. This compost helps plants grow big and strong. Busy bugs. There are lots of other creatures in the soil too, like beetles, ants, and centipedes. They all have important jobs in keeping the soil healthy and happy. Root helpers. Plant roots also live in the soil. They drink up water and yummy nutrients from the soil to help plants grow tall and make tasty fruits and veggies. Tiny helpers. There are teeny tiny creatures called microorganisms in the soil. They break down old stuff into food for plants. It's like a special recycling team. Tunnel builders. Earthworms and friends make tunnels in the soil. These tunnels help air, water, and nutrients move around so plants can grow strong and healthy. Healthy soil, happy plants. All these busy creatures make soil healthy. And healthy soil means happy plants. Without them, our gardens and farms wouldn't be as green and yummy. So, next time you see dirt, remember it's home to lots of busy little creatures helping our world grow.